In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. This guide will help you streamline your project management processes by effectively utilizing tags in Asana to organize your tasks with ease and clarity. First, we begin by heading to the Asana website. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner and you'll see the Login button. Click on that to start the process. Now, after you've clicked the Login button, a login page will appear. Here you have multiple options, but the easiest and most convenient way is to click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to seamlessly log into Asana using your Google account credentials. Simply choose the Google account you'd like to use and you'll be swiftly redirected into your Asana homepage. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you'd like to add tags. This is a key step because every project can have different requirements for tags, and keeping them well organized determines how efficiently you can manage your workflow. Inside your project, next, locate the specific task to which you want to add a tag. Clicking on the task will open up a dialog on the right side of your screen. This dialog box provides a comprehensive view of all the task details, and in the upper right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. These are your task's settings. Click on those to reveal additional options, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Tags. This feature is particularly powerful because it lets you categorize your task with relevant keywords, thereby improving searchability and filtering. Now, here is where you can unleash your creativity. Type in the tag you want to add. Make sure your tags are intuitive and consistent with the language your team uses. This step is crucial for maintaining clarity across all your projects. For instance, if your task involves a crucial review process, you might type Review as your tag. After typing your desired tag, move forward by clicking on Create Tag. This will finalize the addition of the tag to your task, allowing you and your team to easily locate and organize tasks according to categories defined by the tags you've established. Congratulations! You've successfully added a tag to a task in Asana. By using tags, you not only organize your tasks better, but also enhance your team's workflow by making it straightforward to prioritize and manage tasks. Remember, the more consistent and relevant your tags, the more productive your team will be. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing with Asana.